Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the simple problem in Newton Raphson method, in numerical method. Let us see the problem. Find the positive root of x power 4 minus x is equal to 10. Correct to 3 decimal places using Newton Raphson method. First you have to take given x power 4 minus x is equal to 10. So therefore let us take f of x which is equal to x power 4 minus x minus 10. So you have to substitute for x 0. You have to start with 0. So 0 power 4, for x you have to substitute 0. Minus 0 minus 10 which is equal to minus 10. Minus 10 is negative. Minus 10 is negative. So next you have to go for 1. For x 1 you have to substitute. So for x 1 means 1 power 4 minus 1 minus 10 which is equal to minus 10. This is also negative. So for 0 negative, for 1 negative. Next you want to go for 2. So 2 power 4 minus x, for x 2, 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 10 which is equal to 2 power 4 is 16, right? Minus 2 minus 10 which is equal to plus 4. So plus 4 is positive. For f of 1 negative, for f of 2 positive, so you have to stop there. So therefore the root, so a root lies between 1 and 2. How I have selected 1 and 2? F of 1, for x you have substituted 1, that gave minus negative, minus 10 that is negative. For x equal to 2, f of 2 that gives a 4, that is a positive. So the root lies between negative as well as positive, the consecutive one, 1 and 2. So the root lies between 1 and 2. So therefore modulus f of 1 is greater than modulus f of 2. What is the modulus f of 1? That is a minus 10. So modulus f of 1 is plus 10 is greater than 4. So therefore, which is the least one? What we are going to take, the root is nearer to 2. The root is nearer to 2. So we will take the initial approximation x naught is equal to 2. Which one is the least? F of 2 gives 4, that is least, that's why. So whatever value you can take, because a root lies between 1 and 2, between 1 and 2 any value you can take. Suppose you can take 1.5, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, any value you can take, you will get the same answer, but iteration will vary. So x naught is equal to 2. Now the Newton Raphson formula, Newton Raphson method formula is Newton Raphson formula is xn plus 1, which is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. F of xn divided by f dash of xn. So what is f of xn? F of x is equal to x power 4 minus x minus 10. What is the f dash of x? Which is equal to x power 4 if you are differentiating 4x cube minus x if you are differentiating minus 1. So therefore f of x, f dash of x. So you can write in this way, f of x, f dash of x. Now x naught already we have taken 2. So x1 in the formula you have to substitute n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0 means x 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. So x1 is equal to n is equal to 0. So x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught, which is equal to x naught is 2 minus f of 2 divided by f dash of 2. So which is equal to 2 minus f of 2. F of x is here. For x you have to apply 2. So 2 power 4 minus 2 minus 10 divided by 4 into 2 cube minus 1. So use the calculator. So using calculator you can easily get the value. So 2 power 4. So what is it? 2 power 4? You know 16 minus 2 minus, so using the calculator x1 is equal to 2 minus 4 divided by 31. 2 minus 4 divided by 31. So x1, which is equal to, using the calculator, fix the calculator in 3 decimals. So x1, which is equal to 1.871, because correct to 3 decimal places. Next you have to substitute, go for x2, n plus 1. So 1 plus 1, x1 plus 1, 2. x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1, which is equal to, what is x1? 1.871 minus f of x1. Already f of x is you do very well. So f of x1 is 1.871 power 4 minus 1.871 minus 10 divided by 4 into 1.871 whole cube minus 1. So using the calculator, x2 is equal to 1.871 minus 0.3835 numerator value, denominator value 25.199. So x2 value is equal to 1.856. This is x2. Next you have to go for x3. So x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. F of x2 divided by f dash of x2. So which is equal to 1. x3 is equal to, x2 is 1.856 minus f of 1.856 1.856 divided by f dash of 1.856, which is equal to x3 is equal to 1.856 minus 1.856 power 4 minus 1.856 minus 10 divided by 4 into 1.856 whole cube minus 1. So substitute in f of x as well as f dash of x. So x3 is equal to 1.856 minus the numerator value. If you are using the calculator, numerator value is 0.010 divided by 24.574. So x3 value is equal to 1.856. So what is the x2, x3? Both are equal. So hence here x2 is equal to x3, which is equal to 1.856. Hence the better approximate root is 1.856.